In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your business to Google Maps. Having your business on Google Maps is a fantastic way to increase visibility and attract more customers. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their online presence and make it easier for customers to find them. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is your starting point for getting your business onto Google Maps. Once the page loads, you'll notice a search bar located at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that search bar. It's your gateway to finding your business online. Now, in the search bar, type in the name of your business. Make sure to enter it as accurately as possible to get the best results. After typing in your business name, hit the enter key on your keyboard. The search results will display on the map, helping you locate your business if it's already listed, or it will show similar businesses if yours isn't yet added. Once the search results appear, look carefully through the list to find your business. If your business appears in the results, it's time to click on it. This step is crucial because it confirms that your business is either listed or needs to be added. Clicking on your business will bring up more detailed information about it. After selecting your business, you'll see a variety of options. One of these options is the Save button. Click on Save to ensure your business is marked and can easily be accessed later. Saving your business to Google Maps is a helpful way to manage your business's online presence and makes it easier to update information in the future. Next, you'll want to select a list where your business will be saved. Google Maps allows you to organize places into lists, which can be particularly useful for managing multiple locations or keeping track of competitors. Click on your desired list or create a new one if that suits your needs better. This step helps you keep everything organized and easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add your business to Google Maps. Remember, being visible on Google Maps can significantly enhance your business's reach and improve customer engagement. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to making your business more accessible to everyone searching for it online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your business online. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.